Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your iPad model or generation. So if you are not sure which model you have or which generation it is or what is the year of production, then in that case you can go to the settings, and in the settings you can try to find the information about your iPad. In my case I can go to general in the settings and then tap about, and over here we have some information about our iPad. So we may be able to find model name, which should give us the rough idea of the model or generation of our iPad. But if it's not certain, if you are still unsure which model it is, you can also check the model number. In my case, I can also tap on the model number in order to switch this information. And if you have this information with the A and 4 digits, then you can go to apple.com, enter the model number, and you should be able to find more information about your iPad. So let's do that. I'm gonna open Safari, I'm on apple.com, and then let's search and let's type A2995. This is the model name that I had in the settings, and let's search. And you should be able to find a page that is called Identify Your iPad Model, which is helpful. But in my case, I can also see this information: iPad mini A17 Pro tech specs, which also contains model A2995. So I'm sure now that this is my iPad. And if I open it, then I will find the information, the documentation for this iPad. And we can see that the year introduced is 2024. We have some details about the iPad and what it does have, what does it support, and so on and so forth. As you can see, the list goes on and on and on. But let's go back and let's also visit the other link. So let's go to Identify Your iPad Model. And in that case, unfortunately, I cannot really scroll. I mean, I cannot use search, I think. It would be easier on a PC for sure, on a computer. But since I already know that it is Mini A17 Pro, then I can scroll down immediately to iPad Minis. And of course, over here I have iPad Mini A17 Pro. The model number on back cover should be A2995, which is the iPad Mini with Wi-Fi and plus cellular. And it has the information. If you want to, you can jump to text specs once again by tapping on this text. And we can also read the year of production, of course, and so on and so forth. And like it is mentioned on the website, we should be able to also find the information about the model on the back as well. And it is located over here. I'm not sure if it will be visible, but here we can also read A2995. So by doing so, by simply switching the iPad, you can check if the version actually matches. So that's pretty much it. This is how we can check which model and generation we have. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!